Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at might just be the most beautiful Grand Tourer of 2025. This is the all-new Aston Martin Vanquish, and trust me, you're going to want to turn up your speakers for this one. That spine-tingling sound? That's a completely redesigned 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12 pumping out a mind-bending 823 horsepower. And if you think that sounds impressive, wait until you hear about the 738 pound-feet of torque available from just 2,500 RPM. But before we dive deeper, let's address the elephant in the room. This British beauty starts at $434,000. Yes, you heard that right. Is it worth it? Well, after spending a day thrashing this magnificent machine through the twisting roads of Sardinia, I can tell you it's worth every penny if you've got them to spare. Let's talk performance. 0 to 60, a blistering 3 seconds flat. Top speed, an eye-watering 214 miles per hour. But numbers don't tell the whole story. This car has presence. It's 6.5 inches longer than the DB12, with a stance that somehow manages to be both intimidating and elegant at the same time. Those broad shoulders, that long hood, and those side vents proudly displaying Aston Martin V12, it's automotive artwork. But here's where it gets really interesting. Despite weighing over 2 tons, yes, it's a big boy, the Vanquish handles like a car half its size. The adaptive Bilstein dampers work magic, and the steering, oh, the steering. It's precise, communicative, and exactly what you want in a Grand Tourer. Step inside, and you're greeted by what might be the finest interior Aston has ever made. The twin 10.3-inch displays handle all your tech needs, and yes, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what I love most? Aston kept the physical buttons where they matter. No digging through menus just to change your drive mode. The ZF 8-speed automatic transmission deserves special mention. It's mounted at the rear for better weight distribution, and the shifts are so smooth they'd make a Swiss watch feel clunky. And those optional titanium active exhausts? Worth every extra penny. Here's the kicker. Aston is only making 1,000 of these per year, with about a third coming to North America. Each one can be extensively customized through their Q program, meaning you're unlikely to ever see 2 identical Vanquishes. So, what's the verdict? In a world racing toward electrification, the Vanquish feels like a magnificent farewell party for the combustion engine. It's everything a modern Aston Martin should be: stunning to look at, incredible to drive, and packed with character. Is it perfect? No. Is it one of the most desirable cars of 2025? Absolutely. If you've got the means, this might be one of your last chances to own a true V12-powered masterpiece. The 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish isn't just a car. It's an experience, a statement, and quite possibly the best Grand Tourer money can buy. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and let me know in the comments, if you had $434,000 to spend, would this be in your dream garage? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.